Welcome to 9955 Scripps Westview Way, unit number 8. This 2-bedroom is located in the Scripps Ranch area of San Diego. Upon entry, directly to your right, you have the master suite. Wall-length mirrored closets. This room is large enough to comfortably fit a king-size bed, possibly even a California king. And as we rotate around, we have your master bath, dual sinks, lots of cabinet and counter space, full bath and shower, and we go right around the corner here where we have more cabinetry. And then the toilet, nicely tucked away for privacy. Now we'll head back out into the hallway. And immediately right across the way here, you'll see that we have the second bathroom. This would be the bathroom for your guests. Again, lots of counter space and storage space. We have a stand-up shower. And as we spin back around, this bathroom leads into the guest bedroom. Wall length closet, and this room is large enough to comfortably fit a queen size bed. And then we'll head out into the hallway. And before I miss it, in the hallway, we also have more storage space. This is a nice little coat closet. Back towards the living room, we have your kitchen. Lots of counter space and cabinet space. And then we also have this closet here for the stackable washer and dryer, both included. From the kitchen, you look out into your living room. Nice and big, plush carpeting, gas fireplace, and vaulted ceilings. Now we'll walk out into the living room and onto your large patio. Ample amount of space, extra storage, and you sit high enough so no one else can see in. Lots of privacy.